Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's retirement plan administration services. All right, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's retirement plan administration services, then this video is definitely for you. It's going to be a really quick one. We're not going to waste any time at all. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is log into your Fidelity account. You could choose to log in on the online website, or you could choose to log in on the Fidelity mobile app on your mobile device. Then once you're logged in, just click on retirement and then plan administration. Now there you're going to browse the retirement plan administration services. There are a couple of them. For instance, you have plan designs as well as compliance and whatnot, and just use the services to administer retirement plans. And you can also manage plan documents and compliances. Also, you can monitor the plan activity as well as use the services to optimize retirement plan administration. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's retirement plan administration services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys